These Stormtrooper videos are completely AI generated and they're really easy to make. Use the link in the description to head over to VEED, where you can use any text prompt to create realistic video clips using VEO 3. To create a really good looking Stormtrooper video though, you do have to be really specific about what you put into the AI, so I've left my full detailed prompt to create the best results in the description as well, and that covers everything from the speech, the characters, the location design, and you can adapt any of that depending on what you want to see in your final video. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my prompt into that text box and hit the magic button, and in just a few minutes we have our video, which is now sitting inside the VEED editor where I can now customize it. I'm going to upload my final video onto YouTube, but you can use VEED to adapt this video to any social media platform. All you need to do is go to the AI agent in the top right corner and you can tell it to make this video good for Instagram. And as you can see, it's now changed the shape, it's added some automatic subtitles, and it's offered to add some music as well. But I want mine pretty simple. I want mine for YouTube, so I'm just going to add some automatic subtitles, and the final version of my clip now looks like this.
Okay, so another chill day here at work.
And if you want to learn how to make those viral AI Bigfoot vlogs, you should watch this video next.